Nice to meet you. You probably just drove down Jorie Blvd. My name is Jacob Schlievets. I'm the district manager here. Here's our office space at 1000 Jorie Blvd. Let's go down to the lower level here. So here's just one of our articles. We were listed on Business Insider. We're on the number 12 out of a list of 100 top workplaces for best companies to work for. You're familiar with Mike Brown, coach of the Cavs. His son Cam Brown used to sell our product. We also had another article here from Forbes, and we're also a corporate sponsor of DECA. So we've been a corporate sponsor since 2017. Here's also some of our recent successes, some photos of the team. We're one of the top offices in the country, #1, and that's out of about 300 offices. And then here's our space where we run training. We will have a big team here for our team meeting in just a little bit. Some rankings for the summer, some paycheck leaders on the wall, and just a really great environment.
Way down we go.